Hi everyone, this is Bigseller. Today we will show how to use Bigseller Shopee Return Manager and what are the benefits of use these features. Do you have such trouble now? Can find the package returned by the buyer. It is troublesome to check in the logistic information of the return package and worry about it may be losing during the return. Or you don't know which order has been returned because the buyer rejected it or the courier could contact the buyer. It is also very troublesome to check in the Shopee Seller Center. Or too many packages returned every day, but all need to be checked one by one and put in the warehouse. Using Bigseller's Shopee Return Manager function can help you through those problems. The first, you can monitor all the return orders on the Bigseller Return Manager page, such as orders returned because the buyer rejected or the courier could not contact the buyer. Second, click the tracking number of the order in the Return Manager list. You can check the detailed logistic information. Third, after the order is returned to the warehouse, you can check the package information by scanning the barcode on the shipping label and return the inventory quantity to the warehouse. Next, we will show how to use Bigseller's Shopee Return Manager function. Click Orders and then click Return Manager. In this page, you can see two lists in here, before signing and after signing. Let's first talk about the before signing list and how to use it. In before signing list, we will show all orders that return because the buyer rejected it or the courier could contact the buyer. You can filter orders by store, return status, and shipping time. There are two status in the return status. Return to seller, return and not stored in, return and stored in. Return to seller that is packaged during the return. Return not stored in, that is the package has been returned to the warehouse but the goods have not been put in warehouse. Return and stored in. That is, the package has been returned to the warehouse and the good has been put in warehouse. Click the tracking number here. You can see the logistic information of these orders. In this list, you can upload the return and store in. It means that the stored quantity is returned to the warehouse. There are two ways to return and store in. One is manually, and the other is scan and store in. You need to click this button, Confirm Installed, for manually store in, and then click Confirm. If you want to scan and store in, you need to click this button. And then you need to use the scanner to scan the barcode on the shipping labels. After the first scan, the package detail will be displayed. This. In here, that is what what is in the package. You can confirm whether the returned goods are the correct. After check-in and confirm that it is correct, you need to scan the barcode in the shipping label the second time to confirm store in. It is successful put in the warehouse. Notice here that you need to scan twice to complete the store-in. The first time is to check the package information and the second time is to confirm to check-in. After confirm check-in, you can see the record return in the store movement in this. You also can manually enter the tracking number and then click the check and store in. And then we will display the package information in here. If you want to confirm store in, you need to click this button again. Now, have been put in store. The stock quantity return is the stock quantity data when you process the order at Bigseller before. If you do not process the order at Bigseller or the inventory monitor function is not turned on, the system will not be returned the stock. Next, let's talk about after signing. In this list, we will show all the orders that the buyer to apply for return on the Shopee Seller Center after signing of the package. Our system will not automatically synchronize these orders, so before using, you need to click this button, Synchronize Orders. In this list, you can filter orders by store payment, return status, due time. The return status here is same with the status of the orders in Shopee Seller Center. You also can filter orders by due times. For example, click today. You can filter out the orders that must be processed within today. You can be processed it first. If the order has been processed, click this button. You can mark it as processed. You also can select Alt and then mark as processed in bulk. And now this list does not support agreeing or reject buyer required, but this function will be updated later. If you have any question, you can contact us with WeChat or Telegram. Thank you for watching.